Over the last several years, we've been more and more concerned about the new invasive nematode, Meloidogyne enterolobii. Not only does this affect tobacco, but this also affects our rotational crops, including soybean, cotton, and sweet potato. We're more concerned about this just because of how aggressive this nematode is. The symptoms are typically noticed very rapidly because the nematode reproduces very quickly and colonizes new root systems also very quickly. The other characteristic of this nematode is that it overcomes all of our known host resistance genes, which means that all of our cultivars in these different crops are susceptible. So over the last several years, we've looked at nematicide treatments for tobacco, and we wanted to do that for a couple of reasons. Not only are we going to try and manage those populations in our tobacco crop, but we also want to have a holistic approach to this nematode problem and make sure we're managing for our next crops. So we've looked at different treatments, including Fumigant treatments and contact nematicide treatments. In all 3 years of our trials, our most consistent treatments had fumigants, including Telone, and that is 1,3-dichloropropene. Now that nematicide is particularly targeted towards nematodes and has great activity on things like root knot nematode. In all of our treatments, we saw a rebound of those nematode populations at the end of the growing season, but they all did decrease the nematode populations mid-season. That means that we're going to have to stay on top of those soil counts and making sure that we get counts at the end of every growing season so we know where we stand with those populations each year. For more information about this nematode trial and other management that we may have for this nematode, check out the tobacco portal. We have updates on our research trials there, and you can also find more information about those other crops with links in the fact sheets.